No doubt YouTube automation is by far the best source of earning money on YouTube, where you have to invest only your time, efforts, and a little bit of money to start the work. And you can do this from anywhere in the world, which is way better than buying courses worth hundreds of dollars that don't even work. These gurus don't tell you everything, and all the niches they tell in their courses are already saturated. On my channel, I reveal new and evergreen niches and tools to make those videos, and the best part, I do it for free. So now it's up to you to do the work. To earn good money from YouTube, you need to focus on three main things. A good profitable niche, quality content, and consistent uploading schedule. That's why today we will be making videos on country facts niche, because first, it lies in educational category, so profit will be high, and second, there is no content limit on this niche. And third, you can easily make these videos in just 5 minutes with the help of an AI tool named Vidya. Link will be in the description. The best part of Vidya is that instead of AI images, it provides you copyright-free images from the web. Just like the ones you are currently looking at, AI images are awesome, but using real-life images can take your game to the next level. So to get started, simply click on Try for Free and make an account using your Gmail. Then simply click on Create Video at the top right corner. Now guys, with Vidya not only provides real images, but it can also generate lifelike scripts for any niche with just the idea or topic of your video, while the scripts you get from many other tools lack emotions and your videos feel robotic and lifeless. For topic, I will simply give ChatGPT a prompt for getting video ideas on our niche. You can use this prompt as it is or simply give your own command. After all, we just need to get good video topics on country facts niche. Then just pick up an idea that you like and just throw it in. Vidya, see how simple it is? Gosh, you guys worry so much. Now, if you want to target any other language besides English, then you can just select your language from here. And then from this section, you can select the length of your video. You can make videos up to 3 minutes at a time. Let's go with 30 seconds for now. Then just click on Generate Script and Vidya will write a lifelike script for you. Now guys, the generated scripts are completely customizable, so you can do additional changes as per your choice. Now lastly, you can choose a realistic voiceover. Vidya has 50+ paid voices from 11 Labs, and everyone knows the 11 Lab is the #1 platform for realistic voices. So after picking a good voice, simply click on Next and it will start making your videos. This process usually takes few seconds to minutes. Guys, when I see some gurus saying that AI videos will never make you any money, I literally die laughing. Trust me, you don't even have any idea that almost 60% of the videos you see every day are made by AI, but you can't find the difference because the creator knows how to differentiate a robotic, lifeless video from a realistic video. And in the pep talk, our video is ready. Vidya has automatically done almost everything in the video that we need, but still you can fully edit the video as per your choice. First of all, from sequences. You can edit the captions, like if there is any spelling mistake, you can easily fix that. Then let's change the visuals of the overall video. Like to change our visual, simply click on that particular visual and then go to Media section. Then from assets, you can upload your own videos or images, even AI images that you made, but we will use Vidya's own features. From this section, you can select whether you want videos or images. Let's go with images. Then simply search for the image you want. Then choose an image that you like and simply click on it, and it will be automatically replaced with the previous clip. In the same way, you can again go back, select any other visual that you want to replace, and just search for a similar video or image, and in the same way it will be replaced again. I must tell you that a specific feature to add different types of pro animations on captions is coming very soon that will take your videos to the next level. Then simply click on Export, and Vidya doesn't show you credits. Instead, it shows you minutes, which makes it little easy for a person to understand that I can make videos up to this particular minutes, which is little confusing in case of credits. When the video has finished rendering, you can simply click on Download, and it will be downloaded. Let's check it out.
Chewing gum is banned in Singapore, but why? This small country has some of the strictest laws in the world, and some of them will leave you speechless. For instance, it's illegal to not flush the toilet after use, and you can be fined up to $1,000 for it.
Awesome, the video was super good. Guys, Vidya has very decent plans starting from only 19 euros, which are about $20. And then there is a pro plan, which I am currently using, but if you buy a yearly plan, you will receive 20% discount. But on the other hand, if you go for lifetime plan, you will receive up to 80% discount. There are 3 lifetime plan. You can go with any plan according to your need and pay once and use Vidya for lifetime. But there are only 77 seats left, so you better hurry. Link to Vidya will be in the description.